but in the early spring, the comfrey shoots up. Now, comfrey contains a growth stimulant, so wherever you apply comfrey, it's going to stimulate rapid healing. Its nickname is knit bone because of its ability to knit bone, and it can knit tendons and ligaments and tissues. In the spring and in the summer, the active nutrients from the comfrey are found in the new leaves. It's a remarkable herb because it has a growth stimulant in it. It's got a growth stimulant, it's anti-inflammatory, so it gets the inflammation down, and it's a lubricant, so it's excellent on bones. It isn't when you realise what comfrey does. Remember the three things? It has a growth stimulant, so whether it be bone or tissue or tendon or ligament or skin. Growth stimulant, it's a lubricant, excellent for joints. And it also reduces the inflammation. So I told you that if I was going to talk about comfrey, I'd need a bit of time. It's a remarkable, remarkable herb. So we pick the leaves in the spring and the summer, and I dry them till they're totally dried out in a warm oven, and then I pound them up to a powder, and I do that 3 times, so I've got 50 leaves. So in my jar, I've got 150 leaves. They come down to a fine powder. The jar's this big, I fill it 1/3 full, then I fill it with olive oil and I shake it and I let it sit for 2 months. And after 2 months, I strain it into a double saucepan and then I warm beeswax. I mix them together and pour it into jars. And you can ring Misty Mountain Health Retreat and get a jar of comfrey cream. It's dark green.